Today I'm going to share with you how to make reindeer slobber cookies. These were inspired by a recipe my friend sent me but was way too sweet, but she liked the look of them and she asked me if I could make them puffier and less sweet for her. So here are the ingredients, but don't worry, I'll include a link below as always that will give you more details and full nutrition information. You don't need a lot of equipment here. A mixer, a cookie sheet, a piece of parchment paper is helpful, not necessary, a tablespoon, a regular spoon, and then a cooling rack. That's all you really need, and then of course your bowls to mix it in. While I'm gathering everything up, I want you to go and preheat that oven to 375 Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. In a little bowl, we're going to add 1 1/4 cups of flour, which is 187.5 grams. To that, we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2.5 grams, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 3 grams. Mix this up and just set it aside. Next, we're going to need some softened butter, 1/2 cups or 113 grams. To that, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 5 milliliters, and then we're going to add in our sugar, 1 1/4 cups of brown sugar, 56 grams, and 1/4 cup of white sugar, 50 grams. We're going to beat this until it's nice and smooth and creamy. It takes about a minute, minute and a half. Once you get to that stage, you're going to add in your egg, which is 1 egg or 50 grams, and beat this until it's smooth. And it doesn't take long at all, maybe about 30 seconds. When you get to that stage, you're going to add in your sanding sugar, and if you don't have sanding sugar, you can use a lot of other things, but it's 2 tablespoons worth. I'm using red and green, which is about 12 grams. At this point, you are done with your mixer. Make sure to scrape off any batter from your blades and continue on. Now, if you don't have red and green sanding sugar, you can use a variety of things. You can use these little hundreds of millions or hundreds and thousands. They call them a lot of different things all over the world. You can use some sprinkles. You can use some white and blue sprinkles, whatever you like. Let's add in our chocolate chips, 1/4 cup of white chocolate chips, 56 grams, and 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips, semi-sweet, 113 grams. Fold it in, and that is it. You're going to put this on your baking tray, a big heaping tablespoon at a time. I want to say it's around 25 grams. I'm not completely sure about that. It doesn't really matter, just as big as you want your cookie. And you're going to space these at least 2 inches apart, which is about 5 centimeters. Put them in the oven anywhere from 9 to 12 minutes or until the edges are golden brown and the center is just slightly soft. Let them cool about 1 minute before you move them onto a cooling rack to let them cool completely. Or you can just eat them warm like a lot of people do. I eat them warm. My husband likes them whenever they're cooled completely and he likes to dip them in milk. However you like them, that's okay. So let's open one of these up and let you see how nice and lovely they are. They are really pretty. They're very sweet cookie. I will warn you about that. I have a question. Who's your favorite reindeer? Visit us at jacksonsjob.com for more recipes, and as always, happy baking.